Okay, we got ourselves a fresh trade. It is a 2017 Keystone Outback Superlight. The model number is 330RL. Folks, this is what we would call a fifth wheel floor plan. So opposing slides out back for an awesome living room, plus a center island, and then another slide out in the master bedroom. Take a look, 2 more slides over here. Oh, I can't wait to show you the inside. Let's go. Just before we get there, powered tongue jack, fully automatic leveling system, fiberglass front cap, 230-pound propane tanks that will be filled up. That battery will be fully charged or replaced if needed. Take a look at the construction out here. All right, let's take a look at the outside kitchen. Don't mind the noise, folks. We got the stereo blaring over here. Okay, outside kitchen. Does it look like it's ever been used? You tell me. I don't know, guys. Let's keep going. Inside, this beautiful Keystone Outback. Okay, folks, no, we have not cleaned this. This is the way it came in on trade. This unit was definitely loved from the previous owner. She kept very good care of it. This was stationary, not traveled. Upgraded to a brand new fifth wheel. Look at that. I definitely see a coffee maker here. This fridge is a Dometic fridge that works on propane and electricity. We got the pantry over here. We got vaulted ceilings. All right, you know what? I'm going right to the master bedroom because it is awesome. On its own slide out, it is a king size bed. Look at the room. You could put a pole up in here. No, I'm kidding. Okay. All right. We got storage. Place here for another TV. Hello. In the slide out here, the main bed slide out. Opposing windows for great cross ventilation. Folks, behind the front cap. Yes. Awesome storage. Not only that, but guess what? It's prepped for a washer and dryer, so you could actually install a washer and dryer if you wanted to. And also, the rest of the closet, nice and deep. I see speakers up here. Man, oh man, is it ever well taken care of. Folks, are you going to be the lucky one? Please give a phone call to one of our sales staff. Book your appointment. The salespeople will open this up. We'll get it lit up and ready to view. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. Bye for now. Oh my goodness, I'm doing video editing and I forgot to take a shot of the bathroom. Porcelain toilet. Nice stand-up shower with a skylight, medicine cabinet. Look at the storage here, folks. Okay, sorry, it's going to be at the end of the video. Really odd, but hey, at least you see.